Hello, and welcome to the Corpus Linguistics Workshop by Dr. Barami Hyewishai. Today, we will look at the restricted query function in the spoken BNC 2014. When you search in a corpus, you might want to consider sociolinguistic variables such as age, gender, social class, educational level, and so on. In this case, you may want to limit your search to a specific subsection of a corpus to investigate how social variables influence language use. To do this, we need the restricted query function, and this is the topic for this video. So, let's get started. First, you need to log on to your CQP web and select the Spoken BNC 2014. Now on the left, click on the Restricted Query tab. Now there are various kinds of restriction you can make, but today our focus is on variables related to speaker social identity. These are in the section titled Select Restrictions on Speaker for your query, right here. In this section, you can restrict the age range and many other variables. There are two types of the age range. The first one is the age group classification used in the old BNC, and the second is the new one, which is more detailed. You can also restrict the dialects. The dialects can be divided broadly as in level 1, or it can be more specific and fine-grained as in level 2, 3, and 4. In addition, you can select the highest qualification, that is, the educational level. Here you can restrict the gender of the speakers. The quartet category refers to a group of speakers that were selected to ensure representativeness and balance across various social categories. The final two are two classifications of social class. The class NSSEC is the classification used as the government standard based on the National Statistics Socioeconomic Classification. The social grades are based on the National Readership Survey's Social Grade Demographic Classification System. This system has been used widely in marketing research. In this video, let me demonstrate by showing how to search for the lemma car and see how males and females use this word. First, we need to type the search term in the box, then select female in the gender category, and then start query. At the top of the screen, you can see the frequency per million words here, and that is 432.253. You can scroll down to look at concordances to see how the word is used in context. Next, you can go back and change the restriction to male, and then start query. You can look at the frequency per million words, okay, and you can check out the concordance lines to identify the similarities and differences between males and females' uses of the lemma car. Okay, well that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Goodbye.